Okay, we're looking at a 1996 Proline 22, what they call a walk-around. This has a cabin inside with a stand-up shower and a head. It has a stove and it has a refrigerator and a V-berth in the front to lie down in. It's got a hardtop with the 4 rocket launchers, stereo, GPS, Lowrance, and AM/FM stereo, and ship-to-shore VHF. The hull is flawless. The motor is flawless with 310 hours on it. There is no rust on the boat anywhere. This has a gill bracket with the motor on the back here. This is what they call a sport fish type design. Plenty of room. I believe it's a 9-foot 3-inch beam. You got a ladder to get out of the water. Everything works perfectly on the motor. And we've done a service to it, including fuel separators, spark plugs, etc. The trailer is an aluminum trailer, tandem axle. Got an extra tire. And the boat floats on perfectly. Again, 1996 Proline Yamaha 250 on the back, 4-stroke with 310 hours. The fiberglass is perfect. Even the deck in the back where you stand still has all of its the coarseness. Usually when a boat is an older boat, you can kind of see wear and tear. This was stored indoors and there's no wear and tear on it whatsoever. We're going to do a video tomorrow out in the ocean. We're going fishing. These are rods and reels. I've got the battery on what are those things called? The little, you know, to keep them up. And it's also got the battery switch too. Okay.